In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Deepseek AI not working. Let's get started. First, let's verify if the server is actually online by clicking over to the official status page. I see everything is running smoothly, and I hover over the system status calendar, checking different dates to make sure there are no ongoing outages. Since the servers are up, I click back to my main Deepseek tab to try another solution. Now, let's clear the browser's cache and cookies. I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of my browser and select Settings. In the left-hand menu, I click on Privacy and Security, and then I click on Delete Browsing Data. With the time range set to all time, I click the blue Delete Data button. Once that is done, I click back to the Deepseek tab to test the connection. If the issue persists, an extension might be blocking the page. I click the three dots on the top right again, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. I review my active extensions to see if any security tools or VPNs are interfering. Everything looks fine here, so I click the Close button on the Extensions tab to head back to Deepseek. Next, let's test using an incognito window. I click the three dots in the top right and select the new incognito window. I click the search bar, type in Deepseek Login, and press Enter. Then, I click on the first search link, select my saved email address to autofill the details, and click the blue Login button. The page successfully loads our chat history. If it still won't load, trying a different browser can easily fix this. I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom, type Edge, and click to launch Microsoft Edge. I click on the address bar, type Deepseek Login, and press Enter. Finally, I click on the first search result, and the Deepseek interface opens up perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.